So far, we have discussed the current electricity. Now we are going to enter a new world, that is magnetism or magnetic effects of electric current. In 1820, a great physicist, Oersted, observed in his experiment that a magnetic needle responds to the electric current in a wire, okay, as shown in the figure. In the diagram, we have a simple electric circuit having a power supply or a cell, a resistor, a switch, and connecting wires. And there is a magnetic needle kept just below the wire. Okay. In off state of the switch, there is no current and there will be no deflection in the magnetic needle, and pointing the magnetic north and south of the earth. Now, when we switch on the key, okay, a current is drawn from the cell or supply, and this current deflects the needle, okay, in any random direction, okay. And when we switch off the key, the current goes to zero and the needle come back to its original state, okay. And this experiment showing that the current deflects the magnetic needle, okay. Or in another word, you can say the magnetic needle responds to the electric current, okay. Now I'm going to show you the same experiment, okay, in which you will see how the electric current deflects the magnetic needle. Just watch it. So here is the setup to observe Oersted's experiment. In the setup, we have a resistor which is connected across a power supply through conducting wires, okay, and a magnetic needle which is kept just below the conducting wire, okay. As you can see, the power button is in off state. It means there is no current flowing through the wires. And in this state, the magnetic needle responds to the Earth's magnetic field. And the magnetic needle pointing the magnetic north and south. Okay. Now, when I switch on the power, then the current will flow through the wires and the magnetic needle will respond to the current in the wire next to it, okay. So now I'm going to switch on the power supply, okay. So here we go, you see the deflection, okay. Now I'm going to switch off, the needle goes back to its original position, okay. So what we see that when we switch on the power supply, then the current will flow through the wire and the magnetic needle respond to the current flowing in the wire next to it, okay. So in this experiment we see that the magnetic needle responds to the current in the wire, okay. The Oersted experiment was the most important experiment ever done because this experiment links the electricity to the magnetism, okay. Now come to the conclusion of the experiment. The conclusion of the Oersted experiment is that the current in the wire produces magnetic field around it and magnetic needle moves in response to the magnetic field produced by the electric current, okay. It means the current in a wire produces magnetic field around it, and the needle responds to the magnetic field produced by the current in a wire. Okay, since we know that a magnet only responds to the magnetic field. Okay, only a magnet responds to the magnetic field only. Okay, here the magnetic needle is responding. Okay, it means there is a magnetic field. And who is producing the magnetic field? The current in a wire. Okay, so one thing is clear, that the current in a wire producing a magnetic field around the wire. Okay, and the magnetic needle respond to that magnetic field. Okay, so this is the Oersted experiment, and this is the building block of electromagnetism. Okay.